Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix error 401 HTTP unauthorized error. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so I've got a few different fixes for this. So the most common way to fix this is to simply just refresh the page. So sometimes it's just a temporary authentication glitch. So press Control F5. Now this is going to force a refresh, or close and reopen and then try it again. Okay, the next fix is to open up Google Chrome and click on the three dots, click onto settings, and now on the left hand side panel we want to click onto privacy and security. Then from here, go ahead and click onto site settings. And now on this page, go ahead and click onto view permissions and data stored across sites. Now from here, you want to go ahead and we can find it manually, or we can search that site that is giving you that 401 HTTP unauthorized error. So say for example, if it's Instagram, I want to type in Instagram. Make sure to correctly spell the application or website. For this demonstration, I'm just going to use TikTok because I haven't been on Instagram on this profile. Alright, so I'm inside of TikTok here. Now from here, just basically go ahead and click on the trash icon, and then it's going to delete site data and permissions for whatever website you have chosen. And then you will be signed out of this site, including in open tabs. Any offline data will be deleted. So go ahead and click on delete. Now the next fix we can do is go ahead and click onto extensions. So if you got any extensions running in the background, go ahead and just disable every extension here. So just go ahead and disable them all like that, and then go to the site that was giving you issues. So for me, just for example, is TikTok. There you go. Now I can get back to TikTok, and now from here, slowly re-enable each extension one by one, and then refresh the website to see and try and pinpoint which extension was giving you the issue, if any at all.